is breathing slow and deep. Your memory won't let me sleep. Every thought keeps pulling me closer to what we used to be. Even when you're far away, I feel you in the quiet space, like a shadow next to mine. Your heart still beats with time. I'm close enough to feel you here, close enough to lose the fear. Every mile just fades away when your love finds me this way. I'm close enough to feel you stay, even when your world's away, till the stars forget the sky. Your love will always be mine. Your name still lives inside my chest, a silent song that knows me best. Through the dark, through highs and lows, you're the only truth I know. I'm close enough to feel you stay, even when your world's away, till the stars forget